Welcome. If Snapchat keeps interrupting you with those pop-up unread chat reminders, you're not alone. Those notifications can feel constant and distracting, especially when you're trying to focus on something else. The good news is that you can turn them off in just a few simple steps, and it only takes about a minute. Let's go through it together. Start by opening your phone's settings. This is where all your system-level controls are, including how apps behave with notifications. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Depending on your device, this might also be called apps and notifications or something similar, but the idea is the same. Next, find and tap on Snapchat from the list of installed apps. This will open up all the settings specific to Snapchat on your phone. Now tap on notifications. This section controls exactly how Snapchat is allowed to alert you. From here, look for notification categories and tap on it. This is where Snapchat separates different types of alerts, so you can control each one individually instead of turning everything on or off at once. Scroll through the list until you find Unread Chat Reminder, then tap on it. You'll see an option labeled Show as Pop-up. This is what causes those messages to appear on your screen even when you're not actively using the app. Simply toggle off Show as Pop-up, and that's it. You'll still receive chat notifications, but they won't interrupt you with those intrusive pop-ups anymore. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you prefer a quieter, less distracting phone experience while still staying connected.